Welcome to today's episode of Tech Unraveled, where we dive deep into the latest in technology and innovation. I'm your host, and today we're exploring an exciting topic that's gaining traction: creating custom GPT models using web crawlers. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of AI by gathering information from various web sources, you're in for a treat. So have you heard of Builder.io? It's this fantastic platform that allows developers to build and manage content in a visually rich way, and it has some incredible documentation. But what if you could enhance that product even further, making it tailored precisely to your needs? That's where web crawling comes into play. Imagine this. You want to create a custom AI that answers specific questions about Builder.io. Instead of combing through documents yourself, a web crawler can do it for you. Picture a little digital robot scouring the web, collecting information like a librarian gathering books. It's kind of cool, right? Here's how it works. You set a base URL, like the docs for Builder.io, and instruct the crawler on what pages to explore, which content to extract, and even how many pages it should crawl before stopping. You can customize every detail. Want to ignore images or videos? Just add that to your config file. Isn't that a nifty way to fine-tune your AI assistant? But before we dive any deeper, let's talk about what a typical configuration might look like. You'd start with specifying the URL. For instance, using something like http://builder.io//docs/developers kicks things off. From there, you define patterns that the crawler should match against. It's kind of like teaching a child how to look for specific toys in a playroom. You specify which toys to pick up and which to leave behind. And did I mention that you can control how much data it collects? By setting a maximum number of pages or tokens, you keep your output manageable. It's as though you're deciding how many chocolate chip cookies you want in your jar. You don't want it overflowing, right? Now, once the crawler does its magic and collects all that information, it creates a file, typically a JSON file. That's like your treasure chest of knowledge. You can take this file and upload it to AI platforms like OpenAI to create your own custom GPT. Imagine telling your friends, "I built my own personal assistant that can answer questions about Builder.io." Pretty impressive, huh? As we discuss this, you might be wondering about the implications. Is this technology just a novelty, or could it transform how businesses operate? Well, think about it. Instantly having access to curated content from extensive documentation can save time and promote efficiency. In a fast-paced tech world, that's a game changer. Before we wrap up, let me ask you this. What do you think is the most exciting application of custom GPT models powered by web crawlers? Share your thoughts with us. Perhaps you see a future where every business has tailored AI assistants that enhance customer service or streamline internal processes. To summarize, today we explored how to create custom GPT models using web crawlers to gather valuable information from documentation like Builder.io's. We discussed the configuration process, the potential it holds for businesses, and the thrill of building your own digital helper. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Unraveled. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and so should we. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop unraveling the tech around you.